A push for another change to policing, and this one involves decriminalizing marijuana and abortion.
We know that local activists are pushing to get proposals on the ballot for San Antonio's May election. Act 4SA plans to announce its campaign tomorrow morning, but City Hall reporter Garrett Berger got an early look tonight.
It's called the San Antonio Justice Charter Initiative, a sweeping proposal on policing policy.
All together, this will create a safer San Antonio for all.
Center stage, marijuana and abortion. Misdemeanor pot possession is already part of the San Antonio Police Department's cite and release program. But the proposed charter change would forbid even citing people in almost all cases.
Right now, the city of Austin has an identical ordinance with one exception.
Namely, that SAPD officers could no longer use the smell of pot or hemp as probable cause for a search. And as for abortion, outside of narrow exceptions, San Antonio police would be forbidden from enforcing criminal abortion laws.
We think that there are others better suited for these laws. We know that there's going to be a lot changing, a lot of challenges for these laws.
In the council's discussions on abortion policy, the city attorney said council can't direct the city manager to not enforce certain laws. But activists still think they're on solid legal ground with the charter change.
The people of San Antonio have what's called home rule authority, where we can decide how to allocate scarce public resources, as long as we're not preempted by state law.
The charter amendment would also create an appointed justice director position, and it would take policies SAPD already follows, like cite and release for low-level offenses beyond pot and bans on chokeholds and no-knock warrants, and set them in stone, or even expand on them in some cases.
If you have a change of your police chief, right, your administration, these are things that can change.
The measure needs 20,000 signatures to even get onto the ballot. The group leading the campaign, Act 4SA, hopes to gather them by early January. Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.